Alright guys, you are highly welcome to my channel once again today. In today's video guys, I am going to fulfill my promise on what I said in my previous video when I was recording. I told you guys I'm going to share with you guys the pro firm that partnered with this latest broker in town that we have been talking about for some times now. Alright, and the broker that we are talking about is Quaco Market, and the pro firm that we are talking about today is Consummate Traders. Alright, so probably most of you must have heard about Consummate Traders, but you do not know how to go about getting yourself registered with them. If that is the case, this is the right video for you to watch. Be sure to watch it from beginning to the end and understand how I explain how you are going to get yourself registered with this pro firm. Now, one good thing about this pro firm, one thing that I love more about this pro firm is the fact that they have zero minimum trading days. Most of you that are watching this video right now that understand how pro firm works, we attest to what I'm saying. I've never seen any pro firm that offers zero minimum trading days, guys. All right, so that is one good thing about this pro firm as well. And secondly, if you do not want to undergo the process of passing phase 1 and phase 2 of the challenge, you can purchase the Express Pro of the account, which is direct funding. You do not need to pass any challenge at all. All right, so that is good. That is good, guys. All right, so if you really need to start your trading journey, this is the best pro firm that is here to help every one of us and succeed in trading journey. So I wonder what you are waiting for. Use the link in the description of this video if you really want to get 10% from any of the account size that you want to purchase. Use the link in the description of this video. That is the minimum, that is the least that I can do for you guys. All right, use the link in the description of this particular video and get 10% from any amount, any of the account size that you want to purchase. Previous video I shared with you guys a broker that is the latest in town, that is doing well, and you can make a lot of money trading the likes of boom and crash with this broker. And that same broker, I was saying something in that video that broker partnered with a pro firm which I am going to share with you guys in my next video. And that pro firm that I was talking about is this Consummate Traders, guys. All right, so most of you might have heard about Consummate Traders, and probably you don't really know how to go about getting yourself registered with these Consummate Traders so that they can fund you, because this company is all about they will give you money to trade for them. All right, or not necessarily to trade for them, they will give you money to trade. As you said, you know how to trade, they are going to fund you and ask you to trade. You are going to only pass phase 1 and phase 2, and if you do not want to pass or to go through all those processes of passing phase 1 and phase 2, this company, this pro firm, offers direct funding, guys. All right, so I've never seen something like this in anywhere. And one more thing that they do that I've never seen in any pro firm out there is the fact that they have zero minimum trading days, guys. All right, so those two things alone they caught my attention before I started using them. As it stands right now, I've gotten how many accounts from them, though I lost 2 out of those 3. And why I lost 2 out of those 3 is the fact that I set unrealistic goals for myself. All right, so which I am going to explain to you guys in this particular video. All right, so that you will not take the same step. All right, so it's very, very important that you do that. So use the link in the description of this video that you're watching right now. You are going to get a 10% off from any amount that you're going to use in purchasing any of the account size. All right, so that is the least that I can do for you guys. Use the link in the description of this video to get yourself an account. All right, so once you pass the account, you are going to be funded right away and you can start making the money. You will you will not be hustling on how to fund the account and all that. No, you do not need that anymore. All right, so they are going to give you a sizable account whereby you can start trading profitably and comfortably. All right, and you will start making a lot of money from it. All right, so now once you use the link, you are going to find yourself on this particular interface that you're seeing right now. All you just need to do is for you to input your name, your last name, middle name, your country, your gender, your email address, phone number, password, confirm password, agree to terms and conditions, and you are good to go. You are going to find yourself on this particular interface, which is the dashboard. And as you can see right now, I still have some balance here whereby I am going to use to purchase another account. I am not showing you guys what I'm not doing. I keep doing all these things because I want every one of you to be making money. Now, this is where you're going to get the challenge account. All right, this is the dashboard here. You can see the balance that I have here. And also let me, for before I show you how to get the products or the challenge account, this is my challenge here. All right, I told you guys I lost this and this, all because of unrealistic goals that I set for myself. And this particular one that you see now is still running. You can see that here. All right, so for the fact that I just want to let me break it down this way. All right, one of these, this one here is a synthetic account. All right, so I lost this synthetic account all because um I was making almost, I was getting close to the target. All right, so I just decided, okay, let me just do this at once. Just as I said in my previous video, they have these pearls that moves like boom and crash. So I ventured into trading moon. All right, I ventured into trading moon, and I placed the moon. I forgot that I placed a trade, and that is how, before I came back to this account, I was already been locked out. Why? Because probably the spike happened, and I exceeded the daily drawdown. That is how I get myself locked out of this particular account. And the same thing happened here. Not really the same thing. This is a normal currency pair account. When I got this account, I was trading this account, and not until this challenge within 24 hours, because you can do this, you can do this, like, because normally I used to take any account size, but there is this phobia that's always being attached to any time that you purchase a challenge account or something like that, whenever your hard-earned money is involved. So I was like, okay, why don't you pass this challenge right away and start trading. So I was up with a profit of almost, I started that account almost getting to 400. All right, so I should have stick to the rules, and I decided to deviate from my rules, and that is how I got this account disabled as well. So this particular one right now that you are seeing is still running, and the next one that I'm going to purchase should be a $20,000 account, 20 or $50,000 account. That is what I am going to do next. And as you can see, this particular one here is still running. Then this is where you're going to get you know the product here. You click on this product once you have funds here on your dashboard, because also I am going to show you how you are going to send money to this your dashboard, so that you'll be able to purchase any challenge that you want. And currently, as at the time I'm recording this particular video, they have a challenge that is going on. As you can see, June challenge, all right, is going on right now. If you can do that for yourself, you will be, they are going to just use $80 and purchase the June challenge. And if you are making money, probably that one, you can go online and check how everything is being done. And for that particular one, you can see people that are also participating in that June challenge. You are going to purchase $10,000 with $80, just like that, and you'll be getting some dividends every week. And the winner of this challenge is going to go home with a raw cash of $10,000. Just how that particular one works. So according to what we are saying, you click on these products here. Once you click on this particular product, now this is the first one here. This is the evaluation phase here. These particular ones that you are seeing right here, you are going to pass phase 1 and phase 2, and each of these phase 1 they require you to make 8% of the account. Phase 2, they require you to make 5% of the account for every one of the account that you purchase here, guys. All right, it's as simple as that. And the good thing about this, just as I said earlier on, is the fact that they have 0 minimum trading days, guys. Sorry. All right, they have 0 minimum trading days. All right, so that is how that particular this particular evaluation phase works. and they have express light here. All right, they have express light here. This express light is the challenge that you are going to pass only one phase, guys, only one phase. And the target for the express light account is 10%, guys. Once you hit the 10%, you will be funded right away. If it takes you 1 hour 30 minutes to hit the target, you will be funded in the nearest hour. It's as simple as that. I've never seen something like this anywhere in the world. All right, so this is one of its kinds. Then look at this Express Pro here. This particular one that you are seeing is the particular challenge whereby you do not need to pass any challenge, guys. You do not need to pass any challenge. If you pay your money, you will be funded right away. All right, each of them, just go through each of them and see how much it costs. All right, so that is how it is on probably currency trading pairs. All right, this all these ones are for currency trading pairs. Then when it comes to synthetic, which I am going to be more of teaching you guys on how to make money from it, this is the synthetic here. The same thing applies. They offer $5,000 accounts, they offer $10,000 account, and they offer $20,000 accounts. All right, so the challenge, the target for phase one is 10%, and you have 7 days minimum trading for on this particular one. And the second target, or second profit target, is 8%. All right, the minimum trading days on this is 7 days, guys. All right, so now what this simply means is the fact that if you pass your challenge probably in 2 days or in 3 days, you will keep trading. All right, you will keep trading. Not really that you will keep trading for profit, also you will keep opening position until it gets to 7 working days. After 7 working days, then they can now transfer you to the second phase. And once you pass the second phase, which is making 8% of it, you will be funded. It's as simple as that, guys. So they have 5,000, they have 10,000, and they have 20,000 on this particular one. So when trading synthetic is being traded on MT5. All right, also on evaluation, they have, that is the currency pair trading, they have MT5 again. So it all depends on you to choose which platform that you want to use, MT5 or MT4. All right, so that is how this particular profile works. And the good thing about all these things, once you open it, you will see how many percent of once you get funded here, you are going to be keeping, or you are going to be getting 80% profit every time you request for payout. For your first month, you are going to get 80%. Second month, you are going to get 85%, guys. And third month, you are going to be getting 90% of the profit, guys. I've never seen any Pro firm. At least I've used 1 or 2 Pro firm, but I've never seen anyone like this particular one. So how are you going to send money to your dashboard here, whereby you are going to use to purchase any of this account? You come to this financial here. Look at this here. You click on this financial here. Once you click on it, you can see deposit here. All right. So you click on deposit, guys. Once you click on deposit, then choose the particular deposit method that you want. All right, choose the particular deposit method that you want. If you want to use Bitcoin, if you want to use Ethereum, Litecoin, um USDT here. I normally use USDT TRC20 here to deposit, guys. All right, so you click on it. Once you click on it this way, once you click on it, they are going to generate the wallet address for you. All right, so once you copy this wallet address, you go to wherever you have your coin. Or if you are using coin, you go to, probably you are using Binance, you go to your Binance account and you withdraw to this particular, or you send the amount that you wish to, or the account size that you wish to purchase here with the Cosmos Traders. You send the amount to this particular wallet address. Then it will reflect on this particular dashboard here, and that is when, once you click on products here and decide to purchase any account size, they are going to deduct the money from this your account balance here and give you the login to your challenge account. So if you are getting value for, or if you are getting value from this particular video, do well to smash that like button, guys, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important. And if you want me to mentor you guys, you know what to do. Use the link in the use the number in the description of this video to reach out to me. And also, I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video as well. Do well to grab a copy of those books and learn how to start making money with forex trading. And also, guys, this is one of the best way for you to start making money, guys. And when you get yourself registered and get any of these challenge accounts, you are almost there, guys. You are on your way of becoming a millionaire as well. So that is how it is, guys. Signing out. All it is. Peace.